Hey everyone, this is Kevin at KS Outdoor Lighting. Just wanted to share with you a project I just worked on at Kensington Subdivision. Made a blunder while on the site visit, assuming the original system was low voltage. The day came to swap out and install the 12-volt fixtures. I quickly realized that the fixtures had been hardwired to 120 volt. Consulted a few electrical friends, and fortunately they were able to find the power source, take the run off the 120 volt breaker, and install my low voltage transformer, and installed the main wire into the transformer. We wanted to kind of complete this project in a few different phases. The first phase being the center islands that you see right here and right down there. Those are color changing RGB Control 2 uplights. On 6-inch risers. We have a lot of trees around, so I wanted to put them on a riser to eliminate any type of leaves falling and covering them up. $400, 500-foot wall all along the boulevard here. So as of right now, it'll just be the sign illuminated and the wall right along here, the island, the other sign, and that wall over there as well.